Now let us discuss the heart in different classes of vertebrates. Heart in fish is two-chambered heart. This is the heart, two-chambered, having one auricle and one ventricle. The deoxygenated blood, it goes from this heart for oxygenation to the gills, and then oxygenated blood enters into the ventricle. The blood flows throughout the body in single circulation. So fishes, they are said to have single circulation of blood. In case of amphibians and reptiles, the heart is three-chambered. There are two auricles and one ventricle. The right auricle, it receives deoxygenated blood. The left auricle, it receives oxygenated blood. एंड देन यहाँ वेंट्रिकल में आके दोनों से जब ये आता है तो ब्लड कैसा हो जाता है, ऑक्सीजनेटेड एंड डी ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड, इट गेट्स मिक्सड एंड फ्रॉम हेयर द मिक्सड ब्लड इज ट्रांसपोर्टेड टू अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. बट इन केस ऑफ मैमल्स वी विल डिस्कस इन डिटेल, एंड बर्ड्स द हार्ट इज फोर चैम्बर्ड with two auricles and two ventricles. Let us draw the diagram of heart. Let us see. Outline बना देते हैं. Then I will explain the labeling. This is heart. How to draw? The heart is divided into two unequal chambers, and these chambers, upper two chambers are small. These are called auricles, and the lower two chambers, they are large, and these are called ventricles. This partition between two auricles is called interauricular septum, and this partition is, let us see, this partition between two auricles is called, this one is interauricular septum. Partition between two ventricles is called interventricular septum. And these partitions, these are the partitions between auricles and ventricles. These are called interauricular ventricular septum. This is septum, and this space, the gap between, this is interauriculoventricular aperture. This is interauriculoventricular septum, and this is aperture. You can see this aperture is guarded by a valve, which is the bicuspid valve, and here it is guarded by a valve which is called tricuspid valve. You can see the walls of the ventricles, they are not plain, they are raised into the papillary muscles. The lower ends of these valves, they are connected to the papillary muscles by means of the muscular threads which are called chordae tendini. यहाँ पे भी जो है ये इससे अटैच्ड हैं. These are chordae tendini, and there is present a strong muscular band which joins the interventricular septum with the wall of right ventricle. This is called moderator band. और यहाँ से हम देखें, from the right ventricle arises a blood vessel. From the right ventricle arises a blood vessel. This is called, this is the pulmonary artery which goes to lungs, and from lungs four pulmonary veins, they enter inside the left auricle. और यहाँ से जो है क्या राइज होती है, फ्रॉम द बेस ऑफ लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल, फ्रॉम हेयर अराइजेज मेन अयोटा विच गिव्स ऑफ सेवरल ब्रांचेस. और ये कहाँ, ये अलग अलग ऑर्गन्स को ब्लड, ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड सप्लाई करती हुई जाती हैं. और ये कहाँ, दे ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड टू ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. और फिर वो कलेक्ट होके कैसे आता है, इन द लेफ्ट ऑरिकल एंटर्स inferior vena cava and superior vena cava. which brings oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. And there is a blood vessel, यहाँ पर there is a blood vessel called coronary artery, and this coronary artery, it supplies oxygenated blood to heart. एक blood vessel heart को भी oxygenated blood supply करती है, that is coronary artery. And the blood vessel which takes away deoxygenated blood from the heart, that is coronary vein. And circulation of blood within the heart is known as coronary circulation. This is the structure of heart. Heart is protected by two membranes, and these membranes are called pericardium. Heart is protected by two membranes, that is called pericardium, which, and between two membranes is present pericardial fluid, which protects the heart when heart undergoes expansion and relaxation.